Hoquiam traffic, Cherokee 742 at Romeo, 2 mile final, runway 24, full stop Hoquiam. We're going to be putting this in with about 20 mile an hour wind gusts coming off the right front, probably about a 40 to 50 degree crosswind component. Feels like it's getting bumpier as we get closer to the runway. Second notch of flaps added. So we just got done shooting the ILS 2-4 for practice purposes. We flew the DME arc, the 2-1 DME arc off the Hoquiam VOR and came around. And we're going to come in for a full stop here and fuel up the airplane and then head back to Tacoma Narrows in Gig Harbor, Washington. I'm really feeling it here with as we get closer to the runway with all the mechanical turbulence. And I'm probably not going to add a third notch of flaps based on the wind conditions. I'm keeping a little bit fast on the final approach here, a little faster than normal. About normally I would take it in about, at this point, about 80 miles per hour. I'm going to add about half the wind gust component, which is 20, so we'll add 10 to that. So I'm coming in right about 90 miles an hour here. And Hoquiam's a beautiful airport. You have this little peninsula. It's basically carved right out of the water. And the missed approach here would be straight out to the Hoquiam VOR and hold. Yeah, we're really feeling it here. So that's constant control inputs to counter the effects of the wind. And as we get down close to the runway, we'll go ahead and bring the nose in alignment with the runway, counter that with ailerons to keep it on the center line. So here I'm giving it left rudder, right aileron, left rudder. Keep that nose wheel off, nose wheel off, nose wheel off. Right aileron, left rudder, and we are on the ground. Hoquiam traffic, Cherokee 28 Romeo, back taxi, runway 24, Hoquiam. Now we're going to bring it back around here on the runway to the taxiway. And then over to the ramp and to the fueling station. So that was a bumpy ride in for sure, which is not unusual for the coast, landing at these coastal airports in the summertime. Hoquiam traffic, Cherokee 28 Romeo is clear of the runway. Hoquiam.